When logging into the LAUNCH SmartLink Service Platform, have you ever asked yourself, what is the token? What can tokens actually be used for? And where can I check my token balance? Don't worry, today we will walk you through everything about tokens, step by step. Step 1. Select Common User. Then log in with your account and password. Step 2. Go to Management, Token to check your balance. Here, you will see two types of tokens: recharge tokens, tokens you purchase; points exchange tokens, tokens exchanges with reward points. When placing an order, points exchange tokens can be used to partially offset recharge tokens. Step 3. Click Recharge. Enter your token card code and complete the top-up. Step 4. Click My Post. Select your SmartLink C device and technician. Fill in your personal and vehicle information. Choose the service you need and publish your request. Step 5. Once a big site user technician accepts the task, complete the service and click Finish. The required tokens will be automatically deducted from the C-side user. Finally, go back to Management, Token to check your updated token balance. That's it! Simple and efficient. Whether you are stuck with a technical issue or limited by your equipment, the LAUNCH SmartLink Service Platform lets you post a request with one click and connect with certified automotive experts for remote assistance. No need to invest in expensive, high-end tools. We help you solve top vehicle problems anytime, anywhere.